just made $23,000 in 8 days trading the DAX. I'm Oscar, a professional trader with over 9 years of experience. I started on the trading floor at Barclays Bank and studied economics at a top global uni. It hasn't always been smooth sailing. I've blown accounts, battled emotions and learned risk management along the way. Now, I just made $23,000 in 8 days trading the DAX, and I'm here to show you how I did it. I post daily updates on my trades and the global markets I'm watching, all inside our free community. If you're serious about trading, stick around to see just how I navigated my latest DAX position. This particular DAX trade was a textbook blend of technical and macro confluence. Let me show you exactly how this trade played out. So if we start on the weekly time frame, we can start by observing the 50 EMA, which is the green line on this chart, is above the 200 EMA, which is the red line below there, signaling an uptrend on the weekly time frame. And paired with higher highs and higher lows, we can confirm this uptrend. Looking at the daily chart, we can observe the exact same confluences with the 50 EMA above the 200 and higher highs and higher lows. So this was the first technical confluence for this trade. Now if we drop down to the 4-hour time frame, you'll be able to see that we placed this trade on the 1st of July, and I'm going to show you the exact position in a second to show you when we sent this trade to all of our members. But let's discuss the actual technical entry first. So let's start by using the Fibonacci retracement tool, and as you can see, we've got a low here, a higher high, a higher low and a higher high. So we've got a classic textbook uptrend. So I started by drawing our Fibonacci tool from the low to the high of the previous bullish leg, and dropping down to the hour time frame to look for a retracement into my golden Fibonacci zone, which is the 50 to 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level, which as you can see is this zone here. Now the first technical confluence for this trade was that we had a clean doji candle form right here on the hour chart, right at the 50 to 61.8% Fibonacci retracement, which is right here, as you can see where we placed the entry. That's already a high probability trade, coupled with our macro, which we're going to come onto shortly. However, we dug a little bit deeper. So check this. If we look at our stochastic RSI at the same time, you can see that the stock RSI was oversold on both the 1 hour and also looking on the 4-hour time frame right here as well. And price respected both the 50 and the 200 EMAs like clockwork. As you can see, we're respecting these levels extremely clean on both the hour and the 4-hour time frame. Since our EMA cross here, again we're respecting this level very nicely here, once again here, and we're coming back into that zone. So not only do we have the 50 to 61.8% Fibonacci retracement acting as a dynamic level of support, but also the 50 and 200 exponential moving averages as well. Everything screamed technical confidence. As you can see, here is the exact trade entry which I sent to our premium members on the 1st of July at 10:33 AM with the entry, stop loss and take profit. And this exact trade was discussed on our daily live stream where I trade the markets live inside our VIP community. And as you can see, on the 9th of July, 8 days later, we hit the full take profit for a 2.23% gain, which was based on risking 1%. But I don't trade just off the chart. Macro confirmed the move too. We saw a clear risk on shift in global sentiment. Equities were getting inflows. Secondly, retail positioning was net short, perfect for a squeeze. Third, seasonality for July leaned bullish. And fourth and finally, Eurozone, GDP and inflation data both came in strong. All of those points above, coupled with a dovish ECB tone, kept upside expectations in play. With everything lined up, I entered with conviction, held through some noise, stuck to the process, and 8 days later, we booked for the win. 2.3% on that trade alone. That's patience, process, and precision in action. Join our free community, watch my trades, get my insights, level up fast.